Hey people, I know this video might be insulting to a lot of people, but I want to show you something. I don't even care. All you asshats out there selling them stupid ass boxes for $400, $500, $300, whatever, because it got an affiliate payment. Look at this. Do you see this cost right there? That's 42 bucks, and that's for a Amazon Fire TV stick. Okay, it comes in a box. They give you a little tiny remote, right? See this remote? Okay. Now I'm going to turn to my TV. It's an application. Okay, it's a TV. It's an application that you can put in here because the box itself accepts Android applications. And see, I was able to do this yesterday by myself with no prior knowledge, and all that stuff that you're seeing on this, TV shows, family TV shows, sports, live TV, Genesis, media streams, repo system, all this stuff, I was able to put this in there just yesterday. Okay, just yesterday I was able to do that, and it didn't even take me a long time. I just looked up a couple videos, and as far as this is concerned, this is where you go find all these movies that they're talking about, you know, live pay-per-view streams, you know, whatever. Here, let's go to the movie section here. Here, we'll go down to, let's see what's in people watching, most popular, favorites. Here, let's just go to the latest movies. We'll just go to the latest just so I could show you. But you can see that it just works on it, and all it does is live stream the stuff. I mean, these people saying, oh, this, you know, it's supposed to cost $400, $500, you know, some of these people are just ridiculous with it. When you can just do this stuff basically on your own, you know what I mean? With you know, just a couple minutes, couple minutes of time and research on YouTube, you can get this stuff for free. You don't have to do this for $500. You know what I mean? There ain't no $400. And this thing here that I did, you can have a different kind of list, different kind of views. Here, let's go to the info wall, landscape, showcase, tri-panel. You can do all kind of stuff, but this is what I'm talking about. It's working on all the pictures. All it's doing is you know, uploading these pictures to this thing so that you can see what's going on, all the posters, and you can scroll through same way as those other boxes. It's probably better, and you just hit the button. It'll start working again. As soon as it comes up, it's going to have you pick a stream, and you can simply, you know, sit back and watch the movie. It's not. This is not hard to install. It didn't take me but a little bit of time. And I mean, them $500 boxes, they're garbage in comparison. I mean, this is Amazon. There's 1080p movie. This is Amazon. You know, they back their own product. If something, you could just always factory restore it if something was to happen. But with those other boxes, you're not going to get no support. You're not going to get none of that stuff. And as you can see, the movies are crystal clear on here. You know, this is taking 3. I mean, you can fast forward 10 minutes, you know, whatever. But like I said, this is the kind of stuff that people will sell you. And if you want to walk around the back of this big old TV right here, you can see that is a Fire TV stick. A whole, you know, 42 bucks, okay? Whole 42 bucks at Best Buy. Now, I'm just saying, listen, people, don't go out with this expensive crap. You know, just because they put affiliate on there, all money's not good money. Just keep that in mind. All right, thanks, people.